Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz. They're going to give you a quick first look at unboxing of the new Apollo lamp with LED, wireless charging and Bluetooth speaker from Groov-e. So we have a little lamp here full of features. We've wireless charging 5 watts, Bluetooth connectivity, 3 watt speaker, 3 light modes, touch control and USB powered. So we've a lot going on. So you can charge the device by placing the phone onto the integrated charging base, warm white and cool white light settings with dimmer function. Play your favourite tunes with the Bluetooth speaker, or you can plug in a USB source and take it wherever you go. So that's pretty cool and it's portable. So on the back the features are, as I said, wireless 5 watt charge, wireless Bluetooth speaker, 3 watt speaker power, 3 light modes, dimmer function, touch control, flexible neck, rubberized finish, micro USB powered, micro USB cable included, portable and lightweight and ideal for any room in the house or office. So that's pretty much about it and what the package looks like. So let's take it out and see what it's all about, as they say. So in the box you will get your user manual here, which is pretty simple and straightforward. There's not much to these at all, and you can see there the diagrams and so on. So we'll take the actual lamp out here. So there's your cable included, and it's micro USB, and here is the lamp itself. So on the lamp itself here you can see you've got your Groov-e branding. You have a touch button there. Here we've got the speaker on the back. It's a nice rubberized texture as well all around, so it's not going to move or slip. And as you can see, it's flexible, so you can move it anywhere. And this is the light, it's not glass, which is handy, so it's not going to break if it falls. Good thinking there. And it's nice and small and will fit more or less anywhere in the home or beside your PC or laptop, your bedside locker, whatever the case may be. It's going to go, and it's very flexible, as you can see. So you have full control of movement and flexibility, which is cool. So that's just a quick first look. Stay tuned for the review coming soon at techbuzzorn.com. We've lots of stuff here, lots of stuff coming, and it's coming up to Christmas time, so watch out for cool tech coming very soon. We have lots of cool things in the works and you'll love to see them. So that's it for now at a first look at the Apollo LED. There's a couple more lights in this range. We'll check them out when we get them. This is just the first one to start us off. Drop a link below to where you can buy it and check out the range of stuff from Groov-e, which have a lot of good tech at affordable prices. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.